Let me show you a small glimpse of the hotel that I'm staying at, the Palace downtown. It is a very beautiful and a luxurious hotel with so many antiques and everything decorated as a palace itself. Hello! Let me go show you some stairs. See this lovely staircase. After a hectic evening of interviews, we chose to walk a little from our hotel towards the Burj Khalifa and just wanted to hang out around the most happening place in Dubai. You know what? There's so many apartment constructions all around Burj Khalifa, and it is so expensive. The only reason being, you build the tallest building right in the center of the desert, and then you build surrounding buildings, and automatically the entire area's real estate booms. Dubai government and its incredible thinking. Anna loves his coffee, so here we are at the Dubai Mall, and the coffee place's name is Arabica. It also displays coffee from across the globe, and it has mentioned where it originates from and what kind of a flavor or the feel that is there for the coffee. I am incredibly blessed to be having coffee and spending some quality time with one of the finest humans that I have ever met, and a true superstar. Have a look at this, an indoor skating stadium, and that too in a desert. Can you believe it? Inside Dubai Mall, you can pay and skate, and it is a wow feeling. I could not skate because I did not have the time, but just looking at this felt wow. Dubai for me truly is another world by itself. Good morning, everybody. Here I am sitting down for breakfast at the Palace Downtown Hotel, just opposite to the Burj Khalifa. It's a beautiful Dubai morning here. The weather is very ideal, and I can have the wonderful look of the Burj Khalifa right here. One of the best breakfast locations I've been to. Don't eat my food. Immediately after breakfast, there were at least 6 interviews lined up for the day from various Dubai media, and Anna was ready, and the whole team was ready to take up the challenge for the day. And various interviews went on and on and on, and Anna happily answered each of them with his valuable insights about the film.
such a way that more than the spirit of the country or the people or anything, if anybody has the right intention, fall into the genre, it's not something crawling and
Might be
creeping
there,
there.
which you are, in fact, you're getting into their territory.
Yeah, so I said, you really think we can?
As I gorged on some yummy desserts whenever I found some time because of my sweet tooth, and we are all moving from one interview to the other. The second interview was waiting for us. You could see Sudeep Anna's admirers all across Dubai, people wanting selfies with him. After a hectic day of work and a lot of interviews, finally I was free in the evening and I took a long walk back to my hotel, again catching glimpses of Burj Khalifa. Everything looked so clean and tidy all around, even Dubai Mall, which I visited, one of the biggest malls in the world. Oh my god, just the sheer size. And yeah, finally I got to have my yummy biryani with my buddy Askar from Dubai, with whom I chose to spend my evening. I even rode the Dubai Metro for the first time. Good evening. I met my friend and buddy from Dubai, Askar, and we are on the way to somewhere. Yes. I always tell him, please smile to the camera, which he never does. We're going to a place called Iska. As we were exiting the metro station, I found this very interesting fresh orange juice machine, which gives you a 200 ml of fresh orange juice for around 200 rupees, that is 10 dirhams. And it was so nicely made. The innovation blew my mind. I have with me fresh orange juice. Right now I'm sitting in a tram after getting down from the metro station. The trams are really cute. It even has a gold glass to it.
And it has me.
Huh?
It has me.
And it has you. And it has me, the diamond class.
Diamond.
And finally, me and my brother Askar attended a beautiful, splendid, amazingly good party at Iska on another side of Dubai, and we thoroughly enjoyed it. And it was now time for us to sleep, to wake up to another beautiful day.